This is the noise of quiet in a midnight bar, where lonely hearts don't hide who they are. Every sigh, every glass, every scar plays its part when it's dark. I lean into the hush, let it talk, hear the truth between the thoughts. Yeah, this is the noise of quiet after hours in the dark. Rose drips low like tired rain. Bass walks circles around the pain.